Today I'm going to show you how to get longer record times on the GoPro Hero 10 and Hero 11. And I'm pretty sure you guys had your GoPro overheat on you during long recording session. I know because I have, and it can be pretty annoying. So yeah, today I'm going to show you how to get longer record times, and so you don't have to sacrifice settings to compensate for overheating. You can leave your settings maxed out so you get the best video quality when you're recording a video. So yeah, let me show you how that's done. So basically what I have on here is the small rig cage for the GoPro Hero 10 and Hero 11. And as you can see right here on the door, side door where the battery is, it's pretty much open right here. So that's where the heat basically dissipates. And the GoPro is pretty much made out of all plastic, and they did a really good job in sealing it up so no water or anything gets in there, and there's nowhere for the heat to dissipate, you know. So this is a good way to dissipate the heat. And as you can see, it is open right there, so it's not going to be waterproof or water resistant, but I'm going to show you how to make it water resistant again. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take the original door and we're going to put it on here with the cage. And the good thing is you can keep the cage on, so that provides a layer of protection for your GoPro. In case you drop it or you bump it against something, it's not going to damage your GoPro because this thing's made out of metal and it pretty much protects it very well. So yeah, let's go ahead and take this door off and let's put the original door on. Give me 1 second, I'll be right with you guys. Actually, it's going to be a minute, not a second. Trying to hurry up. I don't want to make this video longer than it has to be. All right, so there you go, guys. Original door is on the GoPro and it is water sealed, so you don't have to worry about the elements getting inside of here, you know. But at the same time, you're not going to get as long as a record time as you would get with taking this door off. So if you want to get longer record times, purchase this small rig cage and take the door off and you'll be good to go. And yeah, if you guys want to pick one of these up, I'll put a link down here in the description so you guys can pick one up. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. And if you have any questions about the cage, just comment down below and I'll be happy to answer your question. All right, guys, I'm out. Peace.